Hi, I'm Dusty Crumpton. I'm Senior Director of Partnerships for Powerhouse Dynamics, and we're here in the IoT section of the Middleby Innovation Kitchen to talk about connectivity. There's kind of three levels of insights you can get into your connected facilities. One is going to be on that enterprise-wide view. We're also going to look at facility-specific tools, and then at the lowest level, we can look at equipment insights. So from here, you can quickly identify where there are any issues that are needing your immediate attention. And these alerts that can be created are completely customizable and configurable based on the needs of your operation. We also have this really nice equipment insights tool. So if I click equipment insights and I click food prep, I can now compare data across all of my equipment. Now this isn't going to be like those alerts we were talking about. This is more like for understanding how your operations are going. We also have menu management tools. So we can do a quick distribution of a file or recipe updates to your equipment, all from one place. Going beyond just the equipment connectivity, there's lots of opportunities to drive automation. And we can also digitize the reports that come out of this. So we can create a HACCP report that can be emailed to whomever needs to have it. And again, it's all about focusing your attention where your operations need that attention focused. And a lot of times we're implementing those types of tools for customers who are really looking to drive down their utility costs. We're finding that in some cases, equipment that doesn't need to be on all the time is. It's left on, it's running hot, 24 hours a day. And it's not just about the equipment too. We have those systems in place for lighting, for signage. Basically anything that has a dedicated circuit, we can set a schedule to turn it on and off at a regular time. And the labor savings and the utility savings are just evident. One of the other ways customers are trying to drive down their utility cost is by implementing that type of thing on their thermostats. So being able to install our thermostats and control them remotely through Open Kitchen is a really big deal. And through the process, you also learn a lot about your equipment performance. So we're going to talk about some of the insights you can get about a specific piece of equipment, and I've got a TurboChef oven up here. You can see some nice information about the product count as far as what products are being cooked. I've got a product mix chart, which is really nice because not only can I see how many products have been cooked, but I can break them up by day part because that's really information for a lot of operators. I've got utilization charts as well that tell me how long my oven's been spending in idle mode versus off versus cooking. I've got this Taylor machine. I can see an at-a-glance view for Taylor that's giving me real-time updates on what this equipment's doing. It's telling me about the mix levels. It's telling me about the hopper temperatures on the left and right side, which mode the unit's in. So we're in auto mode right now. It's telling me we got 12 days left until the next brush clean's required, and my syrup heaters are actually on right now as well. And again, a lot of the same types of analytics that we saw for the TurboChef are also going to happen here. One other that I'll show is the Pitco unit. We can see real time being updated, I think, once per minute. And look at all the insights we're getting on this, both around the piece of equipment, but also your operations and how that equipment is being used. You know, ultimately, it's great to have a solution that's got a lot of cool features to it, and you're pulling data in from every which direction. But if it's not making you money, what's the point?